Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Augur. The price line of Augur has reached the resistance of a falling wedge pattern on the daily time frame and very close to the resistance of a descending triangle on this weekly time frame. And in today's video, we will analyze, are we going to break out these resistance levels or we are going back down to test the support of this triangle. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. First of all, I would like to recall my previous analysis that I shared for my members at the Patreon, and that was a very small time frame on the 4-hourly time frame chart. And this was the formation of a harmonic move, the bullish reversal bad move, and our sell targets as per this harmonic move was at $25.80 and goes to $26.90. Now, after playing the chart, we can see that the price line rallied very well and hit the sell targets. And after hitting the sell targets, we have even a very, very big spike that was up to $29.44 and moved down and moved up again. Right now, on the weekly time frame, on the very long term weekly time frame, it has formed a descending triangle, and here we have a support at $14.68. And here we have the resistance, and we are very close to hit this resistance. Now, if we take a look at the RSI oscillator, then we can see that the price line has formed higher low than previous low. But if we take a look at the RSI, then it has formed lower low than previous low. Therefore, we also have a hidden bullish divergence, very big hidden bullish divergence on this weekly time frame chart. And if we move to the daily time frame, then here price line has formed the formation of a falling wedge pattern. Here we touched the support here on 29th of September. Then we had bounce, then we had another test of the support, another test of the support, and this was the double bottom formation. Then we hit the resistance here, and after hitting the support here, yesterday we had another bounce, and now we are reached the resistance once again. Now, if the price line breaks it out, then our next target can be here at the tail of this falling wedge. That will be approximately at $27, approximately $28. But before that, we have very, very strong resistance here at $22. You can see that previously this level has been breaking as a nice support, and here as a strong resistance. Now, if we switch back to this weekly time frame, then after breaking out this falling wedge, it can also break out this descending triangle as well. Now, the target for this descending triangle, if I place it here, for example, if we are expecting a breakout from here, our next expected target can be approximately $66. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.